In Hurricane Helene's wake, devastation and destruction stretching as far as the eye can see. Powerful Category 4 storm causing damage in at least 10 states. Hardest hit, North Carolina, where every single county has been impacted.
This is an unprecedented storm, and it's causing us to have an unprecedented response.
The most powerful hurricane, a Category 4, ever to hit the so-called Big Bend region. But in a now all too familiar tale, Helene picked up massive amounts of energy from the unusually warm Gulf waters, exacerbated, scientists say, by climate change.
Greetings and welcome to Planet Bink. Man, you already know the drill. If the hometown North Carolina is underwater, you already know I'm on the first flight there. The baby was crying all flight. Listen to that. Oh my God. Peep the views from the plane though. Nothing but blue skies and high vibes. Come on, man, I haven't said that in a while. Subscribe if you missed that. You already know Waffle House back in North Carolina. I haven't been in North Carolina in over a year.
Thank you.
But
Go Ears!
come on now, you already know that Mux. Peep my boy Drew hitting that.
Ooh, that what's up. Ooh, that what's up.
You already know some devastation from the hurricane, but this is just at nighttime. Just wait for tomorrow. Had to hit
What we about to
cookout.
get,
Come on now, vibes.
The whole menu. What up, Cookout? Planet Bink in the build.
Yeah, 2 sides of a drink.
Hush puppies, Cajun fried.
Alright. We bout it. We bout it.
Hey y'all, subscribe to Planet Bink. These motherfuckers deserve the like and the subscription.
In Hurricane Helene's wake, devastation and destruction stretching as far as the eye can see.
Damn, Drew, how do you feel that your town's literally utter?
It sucks, dude. It sucks.
Yeah. Hey man, you already know we got that deer park shit. Yes, what's the difference between what?
Distilled, natural spring, and purified.
I don't know. Maybe they should comment down below.
What is, comment down below. What is the difference between these types of waters? I'm going natural spring.
What are we about to do?
Oh, I'm about to give Illy hoops.
Cap. He ain't really about it like that. Buddy's car is orange. You already know what time it is. We're trying to get buckets. Yes, sir.
Ilson, talk to the people, man. What are we gonna see out of you today?
We're about to see maybe like a triple dub every game. That's a 7. Come on now.
Best of 7. How many points are we playing to every game?
11. Game 7's got to be the 21.
All right.
Man, this dude Drew really thought he could beat my ass.
Taken by Iguodala. Iguodala to Curry. Back to Iguodala. Up for the layup. Oh, blocked by James. LeBron James with the rejection.
Oh my goodness. We got the brooms out. Buddy just got annihilated by Bink. 4-0. How do you feel post game?
I left it all on the court. Binko's just in me. I don't know what to say.
Hey, it was a good valiant effort. Now let's go vibe. Hey, give me check on babe. We drove to Tennessee to Muck Chip. First bite. Get in there. Yeehaw! Bird.
All the trash that you see up there on the bank, that's how high the water level was. And this
Damn,
is
bro. bro. How's that make you feel?
It makes me feel kind of shitty, dude. Because it's just messed up. There's a lot of folks out here that lost completely everything in their house.
Damn, bro. Oh, I didn't see you there. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you didn't, still give that shit a like. Fair. Subscribe to Planet Bink. Thank you for watching, and let the vibes forever be in your favor.